Howdy Affinity designers. In today's quick tip, we're looking at the pixel tool versus the paintbrush tool. Why would you use the pixel tool instead of the paintbrush? Let's dive in. So the first thing you should know about the pixel tool is it uses the same brushes as your brush tool. So you can select a brush you like and then select the pixel tool instead of the brush tool. And I've drawn these two identical-ish line work using a tapered brush, and I'm filling them in with these swatches. When we zoom in on the pixel tool design, we'll notice that the color goes right up and touches the anti-aliased line work. But when we zoom in on the brush work, the anti-aliasing leaves a little haze where the color can't get in because it can't decide between a gray and a black. If I do a kind of cartoony bee character here really quickly using the pixel tool, you'll see the benefit of this, especially if you're a comic artist. You can quickly color flats or even color holds, because if you click on the line work, it will select and color with your paint bucket tool the entire line without having to worry about a fuzzy edge because of the anti-aliasing. If you're trying to do traditional comic style art, this is a fantastic way to go because it simplifies the coloring process intensely. Hope you learned something. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Drop a comment below, and we'll see you next time.